Welcome to the Sociological Theory Prework. We talked about this cluster of books in January, but wanted to provide you with a refresher on a few of the titles that are first editions or new to Sage in 2017. First, let's talk about the course. Sociological Theory is an upper-level course within sociology departments. It's taken primarily by majors and taught by sociologists who specialize in theory. Professors teach this course in one of three ways. They may focus on classical sociological theory or the most foundational historical theorists, or they will focus on contemporary sociological theory, or they could do a combination of both. Professors will also use one of three different types of books: a reader, typically in the form of a collection of primary sources, a traditional survey textbook, or a combination of both, or a text reader. Sage has offerings for all of these different ways to teach the course, and with the acquisition of the Ritzer theory books, we now have the market leaders for each course type as well. You have 4 titles in this course area that are either first editions or new to Sage in 2017, so you definitely want to seek out your Soc Theory professors and let them know what we have available. First, there's one thing to note about sociological theory course listings. If a sociology department has only one sociological theory course listed, it's either going to be classical or combined. They're either going to only focus on teaching those historical foundational theories, or they're going to cram everything into one course by using one of the combined books. If a department has 2 Soc Theory courses listed, that's when you will find one classical course and one contemporary course. They'll break it out into 2 semesters. So students will take the historical foundational course one semester and the more modern contemporary course the second semester. So you'll only see that contemporary course in larger sociology departments that offer 2 separate theory courses. As you can see from your sales tool, we have several franchises for every approach in this course, and we are the only publisher who has both a text and a reader for all 3 of the ways this course is taught. So no matter how your professor teaches the course, you'll have something for them. Most of you should be familiar with George Ritzer. He's the author of one of our Introduction to Sociology texts, but his specialty is actually sociological theory. And he came up with his own theory, McDonaldization, which is written about in most other intro books on the market. So he definitely has name recognition in sociology. George is also the author of the best-selling survey texts in the Soc Theory course area. And we recently acquired these titles from McGraw-Hill and published all of them in new editions in 2017. These books are all original text and discussion by George Ritzer, and they cover the works, lives, and contributions of the different theorists. The books are detailed, scholarly, and comprehensive, and include coverage of more than just the few major theorists like some of the competing texts do. The Ritzer books offer the most depth and breadth of Sage's offerings. As you can see, these books have been around for a while, now in their 7th, 8th, and 10th editions, and they have a really solid user base. And this past semester, we actually sent an email out to the market from George himself telling them that Sage would be publishing the new editions of his books, so the market should be anticipating your calls. And we also have a brand new first edition for this course area, and it's from another familiar name, Javier Trevino. He's the author of one of our social problems textbooks. This book is an anthology reader, so it's a collection of primary works with short introductory headnotes written by Javier Trevino. It's organized more or less chronologically to show the historical development of sociological theory from the 19th century founders through the present. So this book is for professors who want a single book that offers the widest range of primary works to choose from. And that's why it could fit into any of the 3 course categories, classical, contemporary, or combined, because professors can just pick and choose which readings they want to assign in their course. So let's take one last look at your Soc Theory sales tool. As you can see, we have even more titles in addition to Ritzer and Trevino for this course area, so it's important to consult this tool when trying to determine which book is the best fit for your professors. And as always, your sociology team is here to answer any questions you may have.